Hello, this is Garth at Event Espresso. Today I'd like to show you how to use multiple venues for the same event within Event Espresso. Now on my right hand side I've got an industry conference. I've got my ticket options and I've got dates. 3 different dates: the conference on day 1, conference on day 2, and conference on day 3. And what I've done is I've assigned a single venue to the entire event. So this is, in this case, it's the conference center. Now, if you look at the setup within Event Espresso, you can see that the venue details here are assigned to the conference center, and that's all fine. But because we have multiple dates, what we call date time, so conference 1, day 1, it can actually be at the conference center, that's fine. But at day 2, let's say the conference day 2 is at a different location. You can change that information by going to the dates within Event Espresso. And on conference day 2, we want to change that to a new venue, say the recreation center. So instead of being at the conference center, this one's going to be the recreation center. And let's say, for example, on the day 3 activities, we want the venue to be at a different location. Let's say it's at Studio C. So these are 2 other venues where we've chosen to show the event. In this case, we could still choose the conference center for this one date time. So conference center day 1 is going to be at the conference center, conference day 2 is going to be the recreation center, and day 3 activities are going to be at Studio C. Now, if I go over here and refresh my page, you can see that the day 1 now is at the conference center, the conference day 2 is at the community recreation center, and the day 3 activities are at Studio C. Now, that can be helpful because it allows you to communicate different locations for an event that has multiple dates. That allows you to use the same event with multiple dates, and you can use the same event page and registration options for any of those days, one day or multiple days. It allows you to, again, use the same event with multiple days in multiple locations. That's helpful for some people, like in conferences or workshops or trainings or festivals, where the location may change each day, even though the event spans multiple days. I hope that's helpful. You can find more information or contact us for help at eventespresso.com.